Find the length of segment with given endpoint G and midpoint M. We have given G and M, so we can draw XY plane first. We have -9, so let's choose small unit 1. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our point G is approximately here. -9, 5. We have midpoint 3, -1, 1, 2, 3, -1. So this is approximately here. This is our midpoint 3, -1. We can connect these 2 points because M is midpoint of segments, so it means that this point divide our segment. Let's put that here will be our H point to 2 equal segments. Length of GM is equal to MH. So because M is our midpoint, it means that the coordinates of the midpoint of segment are the averages of the x coordinates and of the y coordinates of the endpoints. So to find H, we will use midpoint formula. Let's put that H has coordinates x2, y2. So we will have that our midpoint has coordinates. We have to add first coordinates and divide by 2. So we have -9 plus x2. We add first coordinates of endpoints and we divide by 2. This is first coordinate of midpoint, and the second coordinate will be, we have to add the second coordinates of endpoints. So this is 5 or our G point and y2, and we have to divide by 2 again. So now we can write equation, because we know that the first coordinates of midpoint is 3 and the second is -1. So we have equation that -9 plus x squared over 2 is equal 3. This is our first coordinate. And the second equation will be that 5 plus y2 over 2 is equal -1. Now we have to find x2 and y2. So we have to multiply both sides by 2 to reduce the numerator. So 2 and 2 will cancel, and we have -9 plus x2 is equal 60. 3 times 2 is 6. So x2 is equal 6. We will move -9 to the right side, so it will be +9. So x2 is equal 15. And now we have to find y2. We will multiply both sides by 2 to reduce the numerator. 2 and 2 will cancel, and we have 5 plus y2 is equal -1 times 2 is -2. So y2 is equal -2. We will move 5 to the right side, so it will be -5. So y2 is equal -2 to -5, so it's -7. So we got coordinates of our second endpoint. H has coordinates 15, -7. Now we have to use distance formula to find the length of segment GM. h. Is equal square root of, and in first parenthesis we have difference of the first coordinates. Let's put that our g is x1, y1. So we have x2 minus x1 to second power, plus in the second parenthesis we have difference of second coordinate, so it's y2 minus y1 to second power. So this is equal square root of x2 is equal, this is our x2, y2. Let me write this one more time. So we have x2 15 minus x1 is our negative 9. So we need to put this in parentheses. We have to second power to raise this. And we have plus y2 is negative 7, and we have minus from this formula, and we have y5 is equal y1. So we have minus 5 to second power. So this is equal square root, we have to copy, and in first parenthesis we will have negative, and negative give us positive. 15 plus 9 is 24 to second power, plus, and in the second parenthesis we will have negative 7, negative 5 is negative 12 to second power. So this is equal square root of 24 to second power is 576 plus negative 12 to second power is 144. So this is equal square root of 720. So this is approximately equal 26.8 units. This is my solution.